To transfer data from or to your USB drive in Samsung Galaxy A56 5G, first of all, you will need to connect your USB drive. As you can see right here, I have it connected. Next step is to open the Files app, which you can find in Samsung folder. And then in the storage, when you scroll down, you can find your internal storage. That's your phone storage, and USB storage, that's your USB drive. Now you can choose files from internal storage or USB storage and transfer it between them. Let me show you how to actually transfer files from the USB storage to my internal storage. So we need to click on USB storage 1, then select the folder that we want to copy or files that we want to copy, and we can actually copy or move them. If you want to move them, then they will be deleted from their original storage and basically placed in the new one. If you want to copy, then click on the copy button and select the original folder where you want those files to be. So we're gonna go for internal storage and copy it right here. And that is basically everything.